The alarm goes off at 6 a.m., and you feel like you've been hit by a truck. Your eyes are heavy, your brain is foggy, and no amount of coffee seems to help. You drag yourself through the day, promising that tonight will be different, that you'll finally get proper rest. But when evening comes, you fall into the same trap again, unknowingly sabotaging your hormones and setting yourself up for another night of restless sleep. This vicious cycle is destroying your health from the inside out. And the worst part is that you're probably making these mistakes without even realizing it. Welcome to BioWell Hub, where we decode your body's signals and give you the tools to take control of your health. Today we're diving deep into the evening habits that are quietly wrecking your hormonal balance and keeping you trapped in what scientists call the sleep crash cycle. More importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free. Let's talk about what's really happening inside your body when you make these nighttime mistakes. Your hormones operate on a delicate 24-hour rhythm called your circadian clock. When the sun sets, your brain is supposed to start producing melatonin, your sleep hormone. At the same time, cortisol, your stress hormone, should be dropping to its lowest levels. Growth hormone should be preparing for its nighttime surge to repair your muscles and tissues. But here's the problem. Your evening habits are throwing this entire system into chaos. Mistake number 1 is the blue light bombardment. You're scrolling through your phone, watching TV, or working on your laptop right up until bedtime. Every single one of these devices is blasting your eyes with blue wavelengths that your brain interprets as sunlight. Your pineal gland, which produces melatonin, gets confused and thinks it's still daytime. Studies show that just 2 hours of screen exposure before bed can suppress melatonin production by up to 22%. But it gets worse. This isn't just about feeling sleepy. When melatonin drops, cortisol stays elevated, insulin sensitivity decreases, and your hunger hormones go haywire. You wake up the next morning craving sugar and carbs because your leptin and ghrelin levels are completely dysregulated. The second mistake is eating too close to bedtime. That late-night snack or heavy dinner might feel comforting, but it's creating a hormonal disaster. When you eat late, your body has to divert energy to digestion instead of focusing on cellular repair and detoxification. Your insulin levels spike right when they should be at their lowest. Your core body temperature stays elevated when it needs to drop for quality sleep. Plus, eating late forces your body to produce more stomach acid and digestive enzymes at a time when these processes should be winding down. The result? Poor sleep quality, elevated morning glucose levels, and a metabolism that's sluggish from the moment you wake up. Mistake number 3 is the temperature trap. Most people keep their bedrooms way too warm. Your body needs to drop its core temperature by about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit to initiate and maintain deep sleep. This temperature drop triggers the release of growth hormone and allows your body to enter the restorative sleep stages where cellular repair happens. When your room is too hot, your body struggles to achieve this temperature drop. You toss and turn, wake up multiple times, and never reach the deep sleep stages your hormones desperately need. Research shows the optimal sleep temperature is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything warmer than this can significantly impair your sleep architecture. The fourth mistake is inconsistent sleep timing. Your body thrives on routine. Every cell in your body has its own circadian clock, and these clocks need consistent signals to stay synchronized. When you go to bed at 10 p.m. on Monday, midnight on Tuesday, and 2 a.m. on Friday, you're essentially giving your body jet lag without ever leaving your time zone. This inconsistency wreaks havoc on cortisol rhythms, melatonin production, and every other hormone tied to your sleep-wake cycle. Your thyroid function suffers, your sex hormones become imbalanced, and your body never knows when it's actually time to rest and repair. So how do you fix this? Start by implementing a technology curfew at least 90 minutes before bed. If you must use devices, activate blue light filters or wear blue light blocking glasses. Finish your last meal at least 3 hours before sleep to give your digestive system time to process food before you lie down. Take control of your sleep environment by dropping your bedroom temperature and investing in quality blackout curtains. Most importantly, choose a consistent bedtime and wake time, even on weekends, and stick to it religiously for at least 3 weeks to reset your circadian rhythm. Your hormones are the invisible conductors orchestrating every aspect of your health. When you optimize your evenings, you're not just improving your sleep. You're enhancing your metabolism, balancing your mood, strengthening your immune system, and giving your body the foundation it needs to thrive. The sleep crash cycle ends when you decide it ends. Make tonight the night everything changes. This is BioWell Hub, and we'll see you in the next one.